Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create a stock chart in Excel. Stock charts are ideal for visualizing financial data, especially if you want to see trends in stock prices over time, including daily highs, lows, opening and closing prices. Let's dive in. Here's an example table with our data. We have date, volume, open price, high price, low price and closing price. On 1st April 2021, the stock volume was 22,500, the open price was 420, high price was 550 and the low was 200 and the close price was 500. Similarly, we have data for each year up to 2024. We need to select the data we want for the stock chart. For this chart, I will select the columns from date to close, including the headers. Next, go to the Insert tab in the Excel ribbon. Under the chart section, click on Insert Stock, Surface or Rider Chart, then select the Volume, Open, High, Low, Close Stock Chart. Now Excel has created a basic stock chart for us, but it may need some formatting to make it look more readable and visually appealing. Let's add a title. Click on the chart title and rename it to something like Yearly Stock Price Analysis. If you want, you can also add data labels, remove grid lines, or change the chart colors to fit your preferences. To make our chart even clearer, we can customize the axis and other chart elements. If you select the data excluding the volume, you can plot the open, high, low, close stock chart like this. Similarly, you can select only date, volume, high, low, close. You can plot the volume, high, low, close stock chart. Okay, and that's it. You now have a fully functional stock charts in Excel, showing the open, high, low and close prices and even the volume if you require it. Stock charts in Excel are a great way to visually analyze and communicate trends in financial data. I hope this tutorial helped you create your own stock chart. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and hit the bell icon for more Excel tutorials. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there are other Excel features you would like me to cover. See you in the next video.